Do you want to remove the theme in Messenger? You can delete current theme on Facebook Messenger with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to remove theme in Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To remove a theme in Facebook Messenger, first, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you are on Messenger, find and open the chat conversation where you want to remove the theme. In this video, I am going to remove this love theme and set the default theme in this chat conversation. Now, at the top of the chat screen, tap the name of the person or group. In the menu that appears, find and tap on the theme option under Customization. A list of themes will appear on the new screen. At the top, you will see your current theme. To remove this selected love theme and set the default theme, just tap on this selected theme first. A new pop-up screen will appear. From here, tap on Remove. This will reset the chat theme to the regular background and text colors.